Please subscribe, lighting, live, and to ring the bell. Learn Manipuri through English 30 sentence English to Manipuri translation. I know her. Aina mabu khangi. I request you to arrive in time. Aina matam chana thungnaba nawanda haijari. It is time to do the work. Thabak adu tawbagi matam oire. It is time to take tea. Cha thakbagi matam oire. I think that you are right. Nangna sumi haiba ai khangi. Why do you kill the snake? Nahangna karigi lin adu halibano. Tell her to bring the book. Lairik adu puraknaba mangonda hayu. Let me know the news. Pau adu ai khangjage khanghanlu. Let him do the work. Mahak thabak adu tawhallu. I gave her a book. Aina mangonda lairik ama piki. I found him reading a novel. Aina mabu novel ama paduna leiba thengnaram I. Barking dogs seldom bite. Akhongba hui pakna sikte. He seems tired. Mahak chokthaba mali. Abstain from smoking. Maikhu sijinabadagi mai laitho'u means tha'anu. He listens to speaking. Mahak wa ngangbaduda tarami. He insisted on my going there. Mafam aduda aina satnaba mangonda taksilami. You should get up early. Nangana hawatgadabani. You always use smoking. Nahak matam laiba khibikta maikhu sijine. I thank all of you sincerely. Aina nakhoi pumnamakpu thamoi sengna thagatsari. I cannot mind you badly. Aina nangbu phattaba khanba ngamde. She went since he came. Mahakna lakhiba matamda mahakti chatkirami. I like to see you anywhere. Mafam amada hekta aina nangbu unaba pami. I know the time when she will come. Mahakna lakadaba matam adu ai khangi. What did I say to you? Aina nangonda kari haiki. Each has his own opinion. Khudimak ma magi oiba mot lay. Either of them is guilty. Makhoigi maraktagi amadi mara lay. Either of you may go. Nakhoi anigi maraktagi amadi chatpa yai. Neither statement is true. Wafam animak amata chumde. He saw neither of them. Mahakna makhoi amata uramde. Neither question is correct. Wahang amata chumde.